we are in a very different world ahead. A world with heightened geopolitical uncertainties, higher volatility in inflation and interest rates, challenges coming from climate change, and of course, the AI impact on our business as well as our workforce.
The world is fragmenting. Each region is trying to shape its own architecture of its economic system and maximize its own, self-sufficiency and capability. In a world like that, the premium on having a network of colleagues, of friends, of people to ideate with and consult with, and talk about what's happening in different parts of the world, what is driving the shift to a new macroeconomic paradigm, as well as where it's likely to lead, it's invaluable. It's absolutely invaluable.
The Women in Finance Network came together in summer 2022. We looked around the table and said, how much do you think we actually reach and touch in terms of the assets that we either advise on, run, asset owners own? And initially, we thought it might be in the billions, or tens of billions or hundreds of billions. And very quickly, we realized it was in the trillions.
What you get in this community is the entire spectrum represented, not just the geographic breadth, but also really every pocket of this industry.
People who work on real estate, work on infrastructure, work on the stock and bond markets, hedge funds. These are very different types of investment philosophies, but they all interrelate, and they're all part of the whole puzzle of what it's like to both build a diversified portfolio and have capital be allocated across all these different areas.
We understand the interconnectivity of the world in which we operate and the critical importance of looking at issues of macroeconomic development, regulatory, the multilateral topics that really affect our industry from that 360-degree global perspective.
What is brilliant about this community of women is the long-term thinking. To be around in the long term, you have to be sustainable, and to be sustainable, you will be around in the long term. All of the topics we take is with that framework in mind.
We don't leave it just at the annual meeting. The Women in Finance community is going to continue in that vein of regular touch points, sharpening the mission and keeping that ongoing drumbeat of engagement and dialogue around the global macro environment going.
We make better decisions together. And so the more fragmented the world becomes, the more important it is for us to be proactive in finding collaboration so that we can thrive in the new world ahead.
Join us, join the dialogue, join the community. We'd love to get to know you, sharing views and hopefully accelerating your own view of how you see the world.